Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Teamviewer on Windows 11 PC. Teamviewer is the most popular desktop screen sharing software and you can also use in mobile. So that is the most popular software to share screen with friends and family or clients. So I open my browser and I type TeamViewer on search bar and hit enter. This is the official website of TeamViewer software. So I accept all cookies and then I scroll down. So I click on try now for free button. So we need to install desktop client. So I click on download desktop client button and then this is the package page of TeamViewer. I use free version, so I chose the download now button from the free section, and then I click on download TeamViewer button. It is downloading TeamViewer setup file. It will take few seconds to finish download, so we need wait. And I minimize my browser, and this is the setup file of TeamViewer. So I double click on it. This is the setup wizard. So I click on accept and next. So setup is starting. It will take few seconds to finish setup. So installation is completed. So I click on accept EULA and DPA license agreement and click on continue. And I click on OK. So TeamViewer is starting now. This is the first look of TeamViewer. I click on toggle button new interface so we can back to old interface. I click on submit switch button. This is the very well known user interface of TeamViewer. This is your remote control IP and this is password. And when you want to control other PC or your partner PC, then ask your partner to TeamViewer ID, then put it on this box and click on connect to connect their PC. So this is the way to control other or partner PC by this software. This is very popular software to control remote computers. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install and use TeamViewer on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.